Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another very special live episode here of the Box Breakers. We're at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Stop in and see him, hit him up on Facebook, give him a call if you have any questions, sports or non-sports. We are doing another unboxing video here of our second box of 2018 Triple Threads. You get 2 mini boxes. Each mini box contains 1 autograph and 1 relic card hit. So if you haven't seen our part number 1, our first box of 2018 Triple Threads, go back and check that out. These cards are from Topps. These cards are worth money. You get 7 cards per mini box, so you're paying $220 for 14 cards. You do the math. But if you haven't seen part 1, go back and check that out. You'll see why we're going ahead and opening box number 2, because we had a few hits out of our first box, and now we think maybe we want to open a second one. So Joe just happened to have 2 boxes of the 2018 Triple Threads trading cards, and we just happened to buy both of them. Actually, we haven't even bought them yet. That's the funny thing. Joe hasn't even rang the register on us yet. You know what we didn't do in the first one is show you this no purchase necessary thing. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Might not want to focus. So we did another video where we did a no purchase necessary where you can send in to get cards. I don't think it's not gonna focus. I'll read it, I guess, at some point. So anyway, all you do is you send in with a regular envelope and a 3x5 card, and you can potentially get free cards from Topps. So that's just one way to get some cards, no purchase necessary. Here's our first pack. That's a $110 pack of cards right there. And here's your second box. Like I said, these cards are worth some serious money. They're brand new from Topps, 2018 Triple Threads baseball trading cards. So we do lots of unboxing videos here. We do lots of openings of Topps baseball cards and other baseball cards as well. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell, because after we do these, we've got another box of high tech. We got a box of Donruss basketball. We got a gold label hiding back there. Anyway, we got all sorts of stuff coming up for you. You don't want to miss out. We upload stuff pretty much daily. We're here at Joe's Card Shop a lot filming. So let's see how we do on box number 2, 2018 Triple Threads. Alright, first card we have Pedro Martinez. That's just a base. That's your base card. There's Roger Clemens, Robinson Cano, and our first hit is Joey Votto, number 9 of 18, Cincinnati Reds MVP card. So that's super cool. Check that out. That's our first hit. And our second hit is numbered 1 of 27, Trey Mancini. Looks like a jumbo relic. Pretty cool.
He's a rookie, isn't he?
It doesn't say rookie on here. Yeah, not sure. Alright, and then we have Francisco Lindor, numbered 175 of 259. And we got Bo Jackson, number 55 of 299, with the purple variation. So that's pretty cool. I actually like the Bo Jackson more than the other ones. He looks young there. That might be our thumbnail for the video. I don't know. But yeah, you can see he's numbered 55 of 299. Alright, so that's pack number 1. And here comes pack number 2. Alright. JD Martinez, Red Sox. That's pretty cool. There's Cal Ripken Jr. That's alright. Felix Hernandez. And our first hit is, looks like it's 3 guys from the Red Sox. I don't think the three players is ever worth as much money, but it's Chris Sale, David Price, and Craig Kimball. 3 times relic card, and it's numbered 32 of 36. Anyway, World Series champions. I guess it could be worse. Alright, and then next we have numbered 8 of 75. We got the Jumbo Relic with the autograph with Matt Carpenter. Is he any good, Joe? Matt Carpenter?
He's okay. He's a pitcher.
He's a pitcher. He's swinging the bat in this one. Huh.
St. Louis Cardinals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it says first base on here. Maybe they moved him. Anyway, there's his auto, numbered till 75. That's our second hit. And then we have number 4 of 99, Babe Ruth. Who's that? I've never heard of Babe Ruth. Is he good? Is he good? Was he ever good at baseball?
Terrible.
Just kidding. Just kidding. Number 4 of 99 on Babe Ruth. Somebody will want that. That'll go on eBay. We'll be on the.box.breakers. And our,
Steroids.
yeah, did they even have steroids back then?
No, you hit home runs off of beer and hot dogs.
Beer and hot dogs, Joe says. All right, and then our final card, we have Bob Gibson, number 210 of 299. I think he's an old-timey Hall of Famer. So let's just run through the hits real quick again for our second box of 2018 Triple Threads Topps baseball cards worth money. Bob Gibson, Babe Ruth, Matt Carpenter auto, Jumbo Relic number 75. We got the Red Sox World Series champs, 3-up relic number 32 of 36. There's Bo Jackson, number 55 of 299. Francisco Lindor, number 259. Trey Mancini, Jumbo Relic, no number. And then I guess this is our hit of the box. It's Joey Votto, number 9 of 18 with the autograph. So that's pretty cool. Let's see Babe Ruth again. So we're either going to use Babe Ruth or Bo Jackson for our thumbnail. So let's get this good and focused on Babe here. Here we go. Check that out. Looks like he's winding up for a big one. Nice. Alright. Well, like I said, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, the notification bell, so that you can get notified when we do our next videos of high tech. We also got Donruss. We also got Topps Gold Label, which we've done a lot of these here on the Box Breakers. We're live from Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles, 24th Street in Osborne. Thanks, Joe. We'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for all the support. Bye.